What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And for today's video I will show you the recap of our current position. I saw in the comment section of my previous videos that a lot of people are losing a fight in our case. And I have to say that you shouldn't do it, because we've achieved a lot during the last several months. And in this video I will show you what should we expect and what do we have right now on our side. So, and before we dive deep into all of this, guys, please hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. It is the only thing that you can do for now in order to spread this information to as many people as we can. And the more people will be involved in our case, the more chances we have to win it. So, and let's start with the news itself. On my yesterday's video, I've showed you the news that Mark Basil should attend to the SEC securities enforcement event that took place in DC just yesterday. And to this moment, I don't have any updates regarding the results of this event. And we know that there should be some kind of testifying of Gary Gensler regarding different cases, and probably we could see some resolutions or some questions regarding our case. But unfortunately, I don't have any results of this meeting to this point, and let me show you some more details regarding our case. So, I want to pay your attention first of all on this tweet that was published by Meta News. And it says, over 300 days and still no answers from FINRA or the SEC. Major brokers, including TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, Interactive Brokers, Trading 212, and many more told their customers they can trade their shares in this 2-day period. Even the vice president where MMTLP was traded on OTC markets said that the ticker will trade on December the 9th and 12th of 2022. Over 5 people that held MMTLP passed away. People lost their homes and marriages, and these regulators are acting like we aren't even human. How come brokers and high professional people are saying the same thing as us, that we were able to sell our shares on 9th and 12th, no matter if the price went to 20 cents or it skyrocketed to $100? People should not have that stripped away from them if there was a set date, just like Jon Stewart said. And Jon Stewart said in this short video of about 21 seconds long that someone should be liable for this crime. And it is pure crime when people were robbed. And let me quote you further. 15 hours ago, Meta News added, brokers' communication with their customers stating the customer can sell their MMTLP shares on December the 9th and the 12th on the VP of OTC markets. Can this be brought up in court? Mark Basil, Rosenthal, Alan Hensley, and Richard Hoffman. And as you can see, here is the tweet that was made back in July the 30th, and let me show you this tweet in details. Communication with brokerages. Brokers told their customers they can sell MMTLP on December the 9th and the 12th, 2022. Jeff Mandel, VP OTC Market, states MMTLP will trade on the 12th. FINRA halts trading on the 9th prior to market open, trapping investors' money and short from covering. And here is the documents, here is the official letters from broker-dealers, where they told about the trading dates of 9th and 12th of December. Let me go to further. If trading settlement was an issue, why are trustworthy brokerages and the VP where MMTLP was traded on saying investors can sell on 9th and the 12th? Below is communications from brokerages to their customers. Must open on web or Google Docs app. Here is the link on the Google Docs and where you can find all these documents in details. Next one. Why is this a big deal? FINRA status is up to the broker to close out a short position. A majority of brokers told their customers the 12th was the last day to trade. FINRA halted the security, preventing brokers to liquidate any short positions after the 8th. And by this action, they violated their own rule. FINRA violated their own rule regarding the corporate action statements. Let me show you this tweet that was made just 8 hours ago by RareDD. The misleading thing FINRA does with their FAQ for MMTLP is that they provide links to Meta's PRs, and they claim that they are consistent with the guidance. But if you look at what Meta said and compare it to the two corporate actions, they are inconsistent. And he added these several screenshots of the FINRA's own documents, of the FINRA's own FAQs, where they are contradicting themselves. Next post, posted about this before, but this is how creatively FINRA attempts to confuse. Consistent with the information provided by Meta Materials on December the 6th and the 8th, 2022, FINRA provided public notice of the corporate action. It works if you aren't aware of the truth. And here is the screenshot that proves his words. Next tweet that he wrote. If you read too fast, it sounds like Meta provided information on December the 6th and the 8th, and FINRA's corporate act was consistent with that info. The reality, FINRA posted a corporate act on December the 6th with an incorrect cancellation date. Then, on December the 8th, they changed it to FINRA's arbitrary symbol deletion date. He also added, nobody needed to know the date FINRA would delete the MMTLP symbol. Best practice would have been to delete it after the shares were cancelled. The December the 8th Corporate Act doesn't include a distribution date, which again makes the consistent claim a lie. He also added this, were investors supposed to collect both corporate actions and draw their own conclusions? If an investor only saw the December the 8th Corporate Act, they'd be clueless concerning the distribution date, and neither corporate act included the correct cancellation date. And all these documents that was provided by RareDD and Meta Materials are showing us that FINRA was lying. And guys, this entire information was collected by our community. And we know for now that FINRA should be liable for this illegal activity. And let me show you that our headliners, let me show you right here, our headliners are working in our favor in order to use this information in the litigations and arbitrations. Richard Hoffman responded to this information from Meta News just 13 hours ago. And he wrote, I will certainly try in my arbitration. And all this information is definitely well known for now for us, for MMTLP community. And we have to push this information forward. And to push this information forward, we have to help our headliners. And definitely we still have several lawsuits and appeals on the table, and even arbitration. And all these people like Richard Hoffman, Mark Basile, Alan Hensley, Rosa Tavel, they will not surrender. And we will win this battle no matter what. Let me show you another quite interesting details. And it is another path how we can solve this problem and how we can push our case forward. Sensi wrote this tweet 16 hours ago. Had a thorough and aggressive 45 minutes call with the SEC ombuds. I do not even know where to begin. What I will say is that I brought everything on the table and held nothing back. Kudos to Army for handling my barrage of questions, which ranged from FINRA rules, investigations, lack of PR from the SEC and FINRA, blue sheets, FINRA FOIAs, Meta, Burda, Polycaros, restoring investors' confidence, MMTLP spin-out guidance and the amendment, and how to convince the ombuds to open an investigation and Congress. Right up soon. So we are trying to push our case from multiple sides, and one of these sides is definitely pushing this case towards the Congress, and we are about to see a subpoena to Gary Gensler regarding our case, and this might also be the way how we can solve this problem. On top of that, let me show you here that we are we are working closely with Congress. Let me show you this. So we have a lot of letters from Congress members who are trying to help us and who wrote this letter in order to solve our problem. And at least 22 people from Congress are aware of our situation. And guys, I'm making this video in order to show you that we are working together and we've achieved a lot during these more than 300 days. Remember what was your reaction back in December of 2022. We were frustrated, we were demolished, but for now we know that the power is on our side and we will definitely solve this problem. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on